Good morning, students. I am Bapin Mani, and it is my first video for class 6. And you all are doing very well. Otherwise, the things could be more difficult to run the classes in this virtual platform. So keep cooperating with us. Watch the videos. Today I made the video in such a way that you enjoy the learning in this online platform. So keep watching. If there is any problem, then write it to me. Thank you.
Today our chapter is knowing our numbers, and today we'll learn international system of numeration. In our earlier videos you have learned about the Indian system of numeration, where you have seen it is divided into 9 periods: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Suppose we have to write the example into the word form of the Indian system. So we will be writing the above number in 5 crore 7 lakh 56,692. Now in India international system of numeration, basically there are 4 periods. First one is the ones, second one is the thousands, third one is the millions, and fourth one is the billions. So the bigger one is the billion and the smaller one is the ones place. Each of these periods are divided into 3 sub periods, and they are ones, tens and hundreds, and the sub periods within the periods are all same. Like within the thousands there is also ones, tens and hundreds, like thousands, 10,000s and 100,000. And within the million also million, 10 million, 100 million. Similarly in the billion part, billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. Suppose we have to convert this same number into the international system of numeration. So the above number can be read as 50 million, since 5 is there in the 10 millions place and 0 is there in the millions place. So 50 millions and 756,692. This way we have to write the word form in the international system of numeration. Now, in the international system, the number is written as 50, 756, 692. That means starting from the right side, after each period we should use the comma notation. But in our latest convention we don't use this comma. Instead of this comma notation we use a little space between the two digits. So the same number we have written in the two different forms, once in the international system and once in the Indian system of numeration in my earlier slide. Now let's take some examples. Read the number, or you may be asked to write in word form. In both these ways the question may be asked. In international system you have to write the word form of the given number. So what we will do, first we have to split it after every 3 digits according to its period in the international system of numeration. So starting from the rightmost corner, the first period is the ones period, and in the middle there is thousands and millions, and the last one at the left corner is billion. So the number is 4,983,566,304. This way we have to write the word form of the given number in the international system. Now suppose we have to write the given word form into its numeral form. and the word form is given in the international system 507,003,023. So first we have to look for in the periods portion, millions, thousands, and the rest portion is the ones portion. So first we will look for in the millions. 507 millions are there, so we will be writing 507 in the million portion. Then 3000s, that means in thousands place there should be 3 digits, so we should write 003. And in the ones place also there should be 3 digit, so instead of 23 we will write 023, that will make 23, and together it is 507,003,023. Now the conversion, we have to write the given word form in the Indian system of numeration, and we have to write it in word form. The given word form is in the international system, we have to write it again in the word form and in Indian system. Let's see what is given. 4,983,566,304. So it's a very big number. How to convert? Now for step 1, first we have to write its numeral form. First we will write the numeral form of this word form. So it will be obviously written in the international system of numeration. So it is 4,983,566,304, and we have written that. Now step 2 is think with the Indian place value chart. So we will allocate the Indian place value chart, the Indian system of in the periods in the Indian system of numeration within the number. So it will be read as 498 crore 35 lakh 66,304. This way we can convert the international system to Indian system of numeration. Next, few more conversions are there, and here within the one table we have expressed both the system of numeration. In the top side, in the first row, we have written in the international system of numeration, and in the bottom side we have written the Indian system of numeration. So we can see here, if we write 100,000s in the international system, so how it will read as in the Indian system? It is nothing but 1 lakh. It is nothing but 1 lakh. Now if I write 1 million, in the international system, then it is nothing but 10 lakh in the Indian system. Now if I write 10 million, it is 10 million in the international system, so it is nothing but 1 crore, and the 10 crore in the Indian system, it is 100 million. So the chart is like that. 1 lakh is equals to 100,000 in the international system. 10 lakh is equals to 1 million in the international system. You may be asked 1 million equals to how much in Indian system? We have to write in it 10 lakh. And you may be asked 1 crore in India system equals to how much in international system? The answer is 10 million. 10 crore is nothing but 100 million, and 100 crore is nothing but 1 billion. So all you will get from the um, table here, where we have written both the system of numeration. Now the successor and predecessor. Successor and predecessor you have learnt already in your first exercise. Successor is nothing but the number just next to the given number. For example, successor of 1,000,906, that is 1,906, is 1,906 plus 1, which is 1,907. Just you have to add 1 for finding the successor, and predecessor is just the number previous to the given number. For example, the predecessor of the same number 1,906 is 1,906 minus 1, that is 1,905. So for finding the predecessor, you have to subtract 1 from the given number and you will get the predecessor. So thank you. In our next videos we will learn how to use the numbers in our daily lives. Some applications we will do.